Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's episode of The Daily Dose. Today is Friday, September 2nd. And just want to say thank you for joining me today. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to subscribe and follow us wherever you listen to podcasts. But let's get right into it. So today, the markets, they opened up green, kind of rallied. I believe all of the indices were up over 1% at some point. And then we sold off from there. We kind of tested our resistance line in the zone that we had mapped out. We'll take a look at that in just a second. But at the end of the day, the S&P 500 closed down 1.07%, as did the Dow, and the NASDAQ was down 1.31%. We saw the unemployment rate slightly beat the expectations. I think the market is kind of expecting a 50 basis point rate hike, but I wouldn't be surprised if we saw another 75 basis point rate hike. So that could definitely impact the market, as we're kind of pricing in this 50 basis point, which would indicate that the hikes would be we'd still be increasing in rates, but at a slower pace now. And the market might find that to be a good thing. But if we take a look at the year-to-date charts, NASDAQ's down 25%, S&P's down 17%, Dow down just under 14%. The non-farm payrolls came in today. The payrolls grew by 315,000 in August, while the unemployment rate rose to 3.7%. And it was expected that payrolls would grow by 298,000, and that the unemployment rate would be 3.5%. So a little bit of mixed signals there. But let's get into the charts. So S&P 500 looked like we were going to bounce off this level from yesterday and kind of rally through. That immediately sold off. We came back down to this support level here at around 39.13. We closed at 39.24, so that's kind of where we're sitting. If we zoom out, it kind of looks like a little bit of coiling action going on in this zone. That could lead to a bigger sell-off or a push to this 41.15 level. Honestly, either is equally likely, in my opinion. In the long run, I still think we're headed down, but in the short run, we could make a break towards this level. We're back down to the June lows. And if we take a look at Bitcoin, same story, really. I mean, we're kind of just sitting in between these two levels. The 17.7, 17.5 level is obviously huge. If we roll over from there, we could see some huge losses continued in Bitcoin. And I think a lot of that's going to have to do with what happens here, and if we break through these lows on the stock market. But that's all I had today. I'll be sure to release the weekly wrap episode this weekend, and remember that the market is not open on Monday, so we won't be releasing a video on Monday. So enjoy your long weekend. Again, if you like this type of content, we release one of these shorter videos every day that the stock market is open, and a longer video over the weekend that goes more in depth. And until then, I'll see you next time, and thank you for listening.